Okay, so for this one, we're supposed to solve the system by substitution. So what that means is we need to get one of these four variables by itself. By far the easiest one to get by itself is that b right there. So I'm going to take this equation and rewrite it over here as b equals negative 3a, so I'm subtracting 3a over to the side, and minus 7. Once I've done that, now I have b equals something. That means I could take this piece and plug it into the other equation wherever there's a b. So this is going to look like 3a plus 9 equals negative 3 times this chunk of math that equals b. So negative 3a minus 7. So now we got a linear equation that we can solve. So right up this side, distributing the negative 3 through, I'm going to get 9a, and that's plus 21. So now I want to get a's to one side and numbers to the other. Doesn't really matter which way I go, I'm still going to get a negative. So I think I will subtract the 9a over here. And that's going to give me negative 6a plus 9 equals, that cancels, now I have 21 on this side. And then we'll subtract the 9 over to continue to get a by itself. So negative 6a equals, that's gone, 21 minus 9 would be 12. And then we divide over the negative 6 and I have a. So it looks like a equals negative 2. Once I have the first solution, I can use that to back solve for the second one in any of these equations. This is the easiest because I already have it solved for b, so that's where I'm going to put it, is in the kind of modified form of this one, but I could put it in either of the originals as well. Negative 3 times negative 2, and then minus 7. So that would be 6 minus 7, or b equals negative 1. So my solution would be negative 2 and negative 1. So again, if the directions are solved by substitution, your plan is to isolate one of the four variables given in the problem. You're going to have, two a's and two b's. Whichever was the easiest one to get by itself, in this case was that b. Isolate that and then substitute it back into the equation that you hadn't used yet. If you do that, then just follow the math to get the answers. Hopefully that helps.